Alabama, the state Supreme Court has ruled frozen embryos outside of the womb are children, and that could impact the future of in vitro fertilization in the state.
ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
An unprecedented ruling out of Alabama's Supreme Court, now determining frozen embryos qualify as people under its state law, saying unborn children are children without exception based on developmental stage. The decision could put families' access to fertility treatments in the post-Roe era at risk.
We have kind of what is just a brand new landscape for the law.
The ruling stemming from a case involving a patient who somehow accessed a freezer storing frozen embryos at an Alabama fertility clinic. The patient picked up multiple frozen embryos and mistakenly dropped and destroyed them. The state's high court says that patient can now be held liable in a wrongful death lawsuit.
We're concerned that this ruling has far-reaching consequences for what we feel is safe to freeze and safe to discard.
In 2021, more than 238,000 families in the U.S. relied on in vitro fertilization, or IVF, to have a baby. As part of routine IVF, multiple embryos are often frozen to increase the likelihood that one will successfully implant.
At this point, there is no decision on when a physician or a clinic can conclude storing these embryos. So they are potentially liable for the wrongful death of an embryo after the parents have passed.
Some doctors worry the ruling could make IVF less accessible by making it more expensive or causing some clinics to close because of legal risks.
Because this ruling is so incomplete, and it leaves those of us who are sitting face to face with patients just with the inability to comment on what is safe and what is legal for them right now.
Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.